our hands at the honky-tonk. We two-stepped pretty bad and pretended we were drunk. Shared cigarettes and talked